In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run email campaign on Mautic. Start by opening your Mautic login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, enter your authorized email and password and click Login. If you're using role-based accounts, make sure you have permissions to create and edit campaigns so everything you set up will save properly. From the dashboard, head to Campaigns. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Click New to create a fresh campaign. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize later. Then add a short description so anyone reviewing it understands the purpose and audience. When that's set, click Save to capture the basics. Next, click Launch Campaign Builder. You'll land in the Visual Builder where you define who enters the campaign and what happens to them. Start by selecting your contact source. You can use a campaign form, which enrolls contacts as they submit it, or contact segments, which enroll based on filters you've already defined. Choose what matches your strategy. For this example, we'll use a decision based on engagement. Clicked link in any SMS. Add that to the canvas, then click Add to confirm. With your entry and decision in place, click the plus icon to build the next step in the flow. You'll be asked to choose a node type, decision, action, or condition. Because we want to send an email when the contact meets the criteria, pick Action. Then select Send Email. Give this email action a helpful internal name so you can spot it at a glance in reports in the builder. Choose when to execute the event. For a simple flow, immediately is perfect. Next, select the specific email you want to send. Use the drop-down to pick from your existing email assets. If you haven't created the email yet, it's best to prepare it beforehand with the correct subject, content, and personalization. Select the email type, transactional or marketing. Transactional emails are typically one-to-one and sent regardless of subscription status, while marketing emails respect subscriptions and are used for promotional messaging. Pick what aligns with your compliance needs. Set the priority level if you want this email to be processed ahead of lower priority items. Then configure the number of attempts, which controls how many times Mautic retrieves sending if there's a temporary issue. Click Add to place the email action into your campaign. When your flow looks good, click Save. You can always return and add more actions or conditions to refine the logic, such as follow-ups for non-openers or branching based on behavior. That's it. Your email campaign in Mautic is ready to run.